Hey guys, Rex here with TorchPrep. I am still in test 2, near the end of the test, and I am not on 52 anymore. I am on number 53. So what I need you to do is go ahead and pause this video, open the red books to test 2, number 53. Read that question. Press play when you're ready to go. Okay, here we are in a word problem test question here, where I'm going to be using my word problem strategy and later using a calculator to do something a little bit more quickly. So we have Marshall, who got a job as a telemarketer, and he is trying to, and we're trying to find out for him how many calls will he make over the next 20 days. So the information they've been giving us here is that the first day he made 24 calls. And how many calls will he make if he follows exactly his goal of making 5 more calls every day than the day before? So over the full 20 days, how many will he get? The total of not just the 20th day, but all 20 days. Now this question, honestly, even though it's a word problem, unless you just skip all word problems, this is a word problem you can definitely do in the survey. It's just taking it one step at a time. Maybe we'll have some stuff in the calculator to add up in a moment, but not a super long question, and something you will be able to quickly find out what you're trying to do as you go through this. So this is definitely a question to do in the survey portion of the test. Let's dive into this. So I think the easiest way to approach this, and there are several, probably the best way is to write out all the numbers, okay? So obviously, day 1, it's 24. Day 2 is 29. Day 3 is 34. And I'm going to add 5 to every single day. And this is certainly tedious, but this is the best and easy way to go through this entire question. I'll fast forward now to get to the end. All right, there we go. I added 5 each time, and I found for every specific day how many calls he would make if he met his goal exactly of 5 more calls than the day before every single day for 20 days. Now, pull out that calculator, and if you're very precise, you can add up all the number of calls that he made, and you will get the number 1430. That is the correct answer, and it's letter answer D. Now, that can be a bit tedious when trying to put it on the calculator. It's very easy to possibly make a mistake. Let me show you a way of thinking about questions and ask you to map out a simple set of numbers, a simple way to add these up and check your work. What you will notice is if you add the first day together, which is 24 calls, add that together with the 20th day, 119 calls. If you add those together, you will find that you get 143. Now add together the second day and the second to last day. If you add together 29 with 114, you also get 143. Now since this is a very consistent set, always raising 5 numbers, I can pair together 1 and 20, 2 and 19, and I can pair together each of these all the way down. And I know since the set is even, it will always give me a consistent number. Every number of 3 and 18 together, 4 and 17, they will all end up equaling 143 each time. And if you notice that, all you have to do is ask, well, how many sets are there? Since I have 20 in all, and every set will have 2 numbers, as in number 1 and number 20, I just have to take 143 multiplied by 10. That also gives me 1430, and the correct answer of D. So, a little bit tedious, but not too difficult of math. Take your time on this. Be selective and careful. Definitely use that calculator to check your work. This may be one you might want to, as you look into it, say, I'm going to come back and finish that in the work section. But either way, totally something you can solve on this test. Excellent job.